Proud day in the state of Andhra Pradesh. It just shows how if government is responsive, we can solve a lot of the problems. And I'm really proud that handicapped children, merely because of a GO, close to 40 students are today now able to qualify into IITs and NIT. This is what we call a responsive government, and this is the direction with which Mr. Naidu is driving us today. So it's a really proud day here in the state of Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, so one student named Prithvi, he approached Minister Sir, and after that some more students with similar circumstances approached Sir. And then Sir instructed us to take responsibility. All these students had cleared second year of junior college. They had passed it. And as per the provisions of the government, we give them exemption of one language. The exemption for one language is available for all children with special needs. So what happened after qualifying JEE 2024, when their counselling started, the Joint Seat Allocation Authority, they cancelled their seats. So even though they had qualified, and their basis was because in our state we conduct exams with physics, chemistry, mathematics A, mathematics B, 1 and 2 languages. So there is one language exemption for children with special needs, and we have mathematics A and B. So this time, as per the cancellation remark, they did not consider they were not considering mathematics A and B as separate subjects. So one of the criteria for qualification is that the child should pass in 5 subjects. So then we took the responsibility, because we have given them exemption and we have declared them eligible for higher studies also, and they had appeared for 5 subjects. So one subject with E category, we after discussion with the Secretary Sir and Minister Sir, we decided to give average of remaining subjects and which will be equal to the E that we mentioned in the mark sheets, which was accepted by the JEE authorities, and the seats were allocated. I'm thankful to them also for their cooperation, because the students they really feel they have a lot of when they worked very hard for getting through second year exam, then getting through JEE exam, and they were demoralized because of the cancellation of seat. But once it was confirmed there, I can see and I feel very satisfied with today's event. And when I interacted with all the students and the parents, they had they were expressing a lot of gratitude for taking such quick and timely action, and for in a matter of some days we came up with solution, and the GO was passed, and this allocation was confirmed.
I am Prithvi Sachidev. I have studied my intermediate in Fiji International College, and I have secured seat in IIT Madras. And because of some technical issue about my intermediate marks memo, my seat has been cancelled from IIT Madras. Immediately I have texted to our Honorable Minister Nara Lokesh Sir, and Sir have responded within a half an hour and issued a GO to us immediately in a week, and supported us to get seat in IIT Madras. Sir called us back and felicitated us and gave us laptops and supported us so much, and thank you for this opportunity.
Myself, I'm Testa, and I got seat in, I'm from Tirupati, I got seat in IIT Guwahati. I'm very thankful to Minister Lokesh. He reacted so fast, I didn't expect this. I was crying literally for 3 days, and he responded very fastly in less interval of time. I'm very happy for it. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for this fast response.
I'm Snehita from Nellore district. Being a PWD candidate, I studied in Nellore, Narayana, Arvind Nagar. I got 88th rank in PWD category. After round 1, I got IIT Kanpur, CSC. After round 1 result, we got a query regarding the 5th subject, which was an exemption for PWD candidates in Andhra Pradesh. So we approached our Lokesh Sir, who is the Education Minister. Sir immediately took the steps regarding the problem and solved it, and gave and spoke with the JOSA IIT Madras people, and finally gave back our seat. We are very happy.
Very good afternoon to everybody. I am myself Vishmita Panukupati. I have studied in Narayana Junior College and I have attended my JEE mains exam and qualified with 392 rank in PWD, and I have allotted seat in NIT Bhopal in my first round of JOSA, and after that because of some issues my seat was get cancelled, and we have approached our minister Nara Lokesh sir, and sir had passed immediately the GO, and sir has helped us so much. And after that, in third round, we had got the seat in NIT Nagpur. We are so thankful to sir, and we are going to achieve something in big